When index sets 1, 2, which burns both of your yes and no tokens, pays out USDC for the winning side. But the 5-minute BTC markets, these use the negative risk adapter wrapper. The difference is the payout math is inverted. Instead of yes paying $1 on win, the system uses a negative risk structure where one side's loss funds the other's gain. When redeeming, you call negative adapter.redeem positions condition ID amounts, where amounts is yes balance 0 or 0 no balance, depending on which outcome you held. Why it matters for your bots. When placing orders, negative risk markets need partial create order options. Negative risk equals true. Pass to the create order. So just jot that down, dude. You're probably coding with AI. Just be like, hey, look out for negative risk if we're trading the 5-minute markets, because a lot of these markets are not 5-minute markets, and yes or no. I'm going to show you all the code here, but here I'll show you how to get the RPC as well. I'm not going to go deep in how to get RPC. Super easy to do. And then you put it in your ENV. Let's scroll through all the code here. You can see my RPC is cooked. Why is it cooked? Damn, this is going to be hard to get on the video, dude. I should put it on GitHub. Oh, I'll put it on my roadmap. I'll put it on my roadmap. That's where I'll put it. So I'll put a link there. You can get my roadmap, come to the Zoom someday. But I'll scroll through here as well, because you are on YouTube, and this is actually a better way to learn stuff. If you screenshot it, you kind of have to look at it a little harder, and then you kind of learn it better. So don't mean to force it upon you, but that's where I put all my code, is on my roadmap. GitHub got me cooked, dude. I'm just not good enough at GitHub to do it at the scale that I won't leak a key. I've done it multiple times now, so just is what it is. I'm on year 5. Everybody told me this game is hard. It is hard. Learning to code when you don't know how to code at 30 years old is hard. Here's all the code. You see this is the multi-account setup here. So this is how you process the account, process the private keys, the public keys. And then you get the redeemable positions. So you're checking to see if any of them are redeemable. Accept exception here. Then the final Matic check. I'm Moondev. I build trading bots chasing the same edge. Jim Simons ran up a net worth of $31 billion with, I believe, code's the great equalizer, though. And these people figured that out. They're real people, real profits. Hundreds of them. I'm not asking you to trust me. I'm asking you to trust them. moondev.com/discord. Message anyone, ask them yourself, and maybe make a friend.